Hello guys, welcome back to Ankita's kitchen. Today we are going to make a very interesting recipe from my mother's cookbook, that is raw jackfruit curry. So let's quickly get it started with the recipe. Here I have my pan heating up. To that we'll add some oil. You have all the measurements on the screen, so check it out. 1 cinnamon stick, some cardamoms, some cloves. We'll saute the whole spices for 30 seconds. After that we'll add some potatoes cut into cubes. To that we'll add some salt to taste. Give it a good mix. After that we'll add turmeric powder. Mix it. And now we'll add a paste, that is onion, tomato, ginger, garlic and chili paste. That goes in and we'll cook this over medium heat. Meanwhile we'll add some seasonings, that is chili powder, cumin powder, Kashmiri red chili powder for some color. Give it a good mix. Now we'll add some sliced onion. A good mix. Now we are going to cover this and cook it over low heat for 3 to 4 minutes until the masalas are well cooked. Here you can see the masala is well cooked. To this we'll add some pressure cooked jackfruit. I have cooked this with some salt and turmeric and I've drained the water. Now we'll add the jackfruit, the raw jackfruit, Kathal actually. So we'll mix everything together very well. And to that we'll add some meat masala. That is optional, but I suggest you to use it. It really enhances the flavor of the curry. Now to that we'll add some hot water. Make sure you're using hot water in this curry. So we'll add little water first and mix everything together, and finally we'll add 1 cup water. Now we'll cover this and cook it for about 15 minutes over medium heat. And after 15 minutes, this is how it looks like. It is smelling awesome in my kitchen. Finally we'll add some garam masala. Give it a good mix. Some chopped coriander for some freshness and color. And it's done. You can serve this with anything that you like. And this is how it looks like, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.